Hi. So today we're talking about NDA Agreements Tracker. So this is a simple template which will help keep track of all your NDA agreements that you're making in a business. So if you see the database at the bottom, we have certain columns like effective date, disclosing party name, party address, receiving party name and address, the term length of the agreement, the survival period, the governing law, state or the country, the disclosing party title, the signature date, the receiving party title, expiry date, NDA status, which you can set from here, and then the number of days left. So this is nothing but the date between the expiry date and the current date that you're on. So this keeps on updating on a day-to-day basis as the days are approaching later on. Then we have a renewal needed checkbox. So if this needs renewal, you can tick on the checkbox, and then there is a reminder sent as well. So this simple database helps you keep track of all your India related agreements. You can even add an attachments file. So if you like add a property of files over here, and you can attach your files over here onto this database as well. If you see on the top side, we have a summary of whatever is happening at the database at the bottom. So we have like NDA expiring soon. So if you click on this filter over here, it shows that if the number of days left is less than 30, so this means if this days left that we calculated over here comes to below than 30, then it will reflect over here. Just to give a demonstration, let's say I'm going to put the effective date, or maybe let's say I'm going to put the expiry date, something as let's say 2025, and maybe it's let's say April 2025, 2025. So you can see the expiry date is April 25, 2025, and the effective date is April 1. Okay, and it got populated over here because the number of days left is less than 30. So this is how you can like take help of this particular view to understand which NDAs are expiring soon. Okay, this is all on the basis of effective date and the expiry date. Similarly, if you go to the signed and active NDAs, you can see that if the NDA status is active, it will reflect over here. So this means if you change the status to let's say draft, it will not be visible on here on the top. So whatever changes you make in the database at the bottom, all the summary part you will see on the top over here. Then we have the expired NDAs. So this is nothing but if the expiry date has preceded before current date. So if the expiry date was let's say yesterday, it will appear over here, and that is how it determines. So let's say the expiry date is, let's set one expiry date to let's say March month. Okay, so if you put it to March month, you can see the expiry. It is reflecting over here in expired NDAs. Okay, so let me put it back. So all these databases are dynamic, which means it is linked both ways, and you can connect. You can just simply make entries over here, and it will automatically reflect over here as well. Then there is needs follow-up. So if any ND agreements require follow-up, you can check over here. So the rules are simple. If the renewal needed checkbox is ticked, that means it needs a renewal. Or if the reminder has not been sent, then you need to send a follow-up to the particular person. So likewise, you can add more linked views over here. Just click on this plus. It will add this particular database, and you can set up your own filters as and when you wish. You can add more columns over here as per your requirement. But this is entirely customizable to your needs, and this was somewhat a quick summary of what we had over here. Now, one more thing I want to highlight is if you want to generate PDF documents for ND agreements that you sign for your business, head over to pdfoutput.com and sign in. And there is a demonstration video showcasing how you can do that. I will add the link to the particular video where I have demonstrated how you can generate PDF documents in bulk utilizing this exact same database and a Google document to generate PDF documents. Okay. So I will be adding the link to the video, this particular video, under this video that I'm demonstrating right now, and you can have a look at the same and generate documents in bulk. So thank you for watching this demonstration. I hope this was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to assist you in this further. Thank you.